Hi, Jordan Hanna here with MarineMax Palm Beach. I want to show you a brand new listing we're going to have on site. This is a 2012 Everglades 325 Pilot, which is very unique and versatile setup that Everglades made. They didn't build a whole lot of these, but I'll show you there's some real great features to it. Right now we've got it opened up, but you can close this off. And you've got doors on either side, so if you're in inclement weather, it's hot, it's cold, you can close yourself off from the elements. There's air conditioning and heating in there. So again, I mean, imagine if you're offshore and you get caught in a rainstorm, close off the doors, raise the windshield that works with a power actuated switch, and you're clear. So real versatile setup from them. Otherwise, it's set up like their traditional 325 center console. You've got some nice seating in front of the helm. All these cushions are removable, and there's even a filler here so that you can use that as a nice casting platform, storage on either side. Really great layout. Walking towards the aft of the boat, you'll see you got a real nice dive door. Great for pulling in fish, or if you're hanging out at the sandbar. Nice big cockpit for fishing, fish box, live well, fold out seats at the aft. This is definitely a boat you need to see in person, so whenever you get a chance, give me a call on my cell, 561-427-9217. I'd love to show it to you in person. Thanks.